Hi team, today we are discussing about the workflow process in SAP TRM. How to do that workflow process we can see. I will share the screen and you can see this is a Treasury Risk Management. Go to Transaction Manager and Transaction Management. Okay, SAP TRM and Transaction Management. Need to go release. Okay, there is option is release. Define release procedure. Just click on this and you can give the company code just to give and product type, like for example I'm doing for fixed deposit and transaction type is 100 means purchase. Just I will give the release procedure. Okay, just I will give release procedure. Just click on save. After that you have to select this fixed deposit, need to go release condition, you need to update here like contact. Okay, when we are creating the contact, that should be approve someone or reject. So that's purpose we need to take contact and activities one. Okay, and generate means workflow should be generate and release required. Then take the release step one means one level up release. Just you need to take the transaction procedure. Take this is a ongoing transaction means when we are creating the deal that must be approved with someone. Okay, just I give. Next again the same contact. Okay, I will give the same contact. Yes, and I will take for change means someone need to change or release. Okay, or reject. So I am putting the change also. Take the release require and I will take the step one and the one level approval and the same ongoing process. Just select this one and save. Okay, this is the first step. We need to set up workflow purpose. Next, second thing is adjust copy workflow template. Click on this one. This is a mandatory we have to do. Define standard role. Click on this one. This role 3-4 is the standard SAP role. Just we can see rule number. And for example, I will show you here. Here 2000034. Okay, sorry. How many numbers? 5. Okay. Just we can take 5 and enter. There is one display. Just click this one. Sorry. This is not correct one. Just 0000. 20000 034 points. Okay. 2. Okay. My number. Okay. I think it's not visible. Just I will show here like 20000. Okay. Uh, one, 4. Okay. 5034. Okay. Okay. Oh, sure. I will show later. And just click on the pencil button. Then you have to open the start date and end date. Continue. Click on continue. Once continue, here is others periods. Click on create. Just click on this is the standard deal. Treasury workflow. TRTMTR underscore deal. And you have to give date and end date automatically is taking. Click on continue. It is asking the product type. What is the product type I have created? One is fixed deposit. Transaction type is 100 and current approval level is first level approval. Release approval also someone need to approve or reject. And company code, this is my company code. Next to same I will give here range. Only I am creating for one product type. Transaction type is same. Current approval is 1. Release approval is 1. Company code is TCS and give just priority 01. Click on save. Click on save. it is automatically taken the responsibility. Next, just to go back, this one, just to select this one, here, insert agent assignment. Click on this one. You have to select user ID, SAP user IDs. First, I will take my user ID. Okay, this is my user ID. I will take, click on create. Okay, then it is showing under there that treasury workflow. Next, I have to give one more user ID for the workflow need to release or approve or reject. Click on user and I will give this is one more user ID. I'm giving click on continue and save. Okay, next just to go back. Okay, I assign this treasury workflow user IDs. Just go back. Next to transaction release, adjust workflow. This is the standard TRM, TRT, MTR, just before we seen, right? So this is a task. Click on continue. Here it should be release. Okay. After that, agent maintain. Okay. Here you can see transaction release. Here TRT, MTR transaction release. So first we can see we can expire and we can do an experiment for workflow. So we can do setup later this one. First of all, we can check like that will be work or not. Okay. Just we can do first for this treasury define standard role we can check. So I will create one deal. Just I'm going to create one deal ftr underscore create and I will try to give this is a fixed product type is a fixed deposit transaction type. After that I will give amount. Next I will give the date. Next, I will take the 5% example. Just go to administration, give portfolio, payment details. Just you can update like bank details. Okay. Just you can update bank details. Next to go to cash flow. It will visible our interest and maturity final repayment. Position indicator, I will update. Okay. Next. Just go back and save. Click on save and save. Just click on continue. Now deal number 129 has been created. Just I will try to edit or settle. Just I will go to ftr underscore edit. I will try to settle. What happened? We can see transaction 129 is company code TCS in release processing not permitted. Means what I said? I have created the deal, but someone should be approve or reject. That is a mandatory thing. That purpose you can see. First of all, I will show my business business workplace. Just I will click on continue. Go to Outbox. There is a standard workflow. You can see deal number here. Just click on this one. Workflow item. Just I will see. Just click on this one and just a minute. Yeah, you can see ready, but I could not able to release here 129. Okay, so that purpose I have one more login ID. That ID I will show you. See, this is user ID. Just before I given right S4 on 19. Okay, S4 on 19. Just I will go back once again, or I will re-login. Just I will re-login. Just I will open it here. User ID is for 19. I am login. Just I will give here password. Next I will go to business workflow. Okay, click on. Next to go to there is a workflow and here you can see here 1 to 9. What is showing? Release TR transaction 1 to 9. Why it is showing here execute button, but when I am trying to release in my own in my user ID, it is not allowing. There is a no execute button, but in the someone user ID showing as a execute button for the deal should be released. Okay, before that I am getting which error. If you can see here that error, just I will go to FTR underscore edit. When I am clicking settlement, it is not allowing. Okay, processing not permitted, but someone should be that release. Why? Because I assign one more user ID. Just click on execute. Yeah, it will ask, just go back. It is asking approve or reject. What I'm doing, just I'm clicking approve. Okay, just click on approve. Means automatically this workflow has been approved. Next, I will go back and I will see this deal number will settle or not. Just I will come back once again and I will give deal number and click on settle. It is allowing to settle. Why? Because I have approved that settle that deal approve. Okay, in the workflow. So this way you have to set up workflow in SAP TRM.